All right, Sunset. We have already wedged our clay. We've got that duck monster. It's looking good. Next, we're going to roll out some slabs that we'll use to make our test tiles. So I've got a rolling pin. I can even kind of slam that down a little bit to get started. And then I'm going to roll. Oof. And I need to flip it every once in a while so that it doesn't stick to the table. Trust me, if you forget to do that, you're going to have one stuck slab that's going to be a pain in your tuchus. And not only do I flip it, but I'm going to kind of rotate the direction that I roll it. And notice I don't roll all the way off the edges, because then you'll get that like too thin area. So you kind of roll up to the edge and then you just move on. So you'll have to, this is recycled clay, so it's a little difficult to use with slabs, so you have to be kind of gentle peeling it up off the table. But you're going to keep going until your slab is less than your pinky. Right now it's about equal with my pinky, so I'm going to keep going. And if it does start to stick to the table, you're just going to move to a dry spot. That is about how thick I need my slab to be. All right, go for it.